Hello YouTube world, I am back with another lock update, and this is 5.5 months. Can y'all freaking believe? Okay, so in this video I'm going fast, I don't have space in my phone. Okay, in this video I will be giving two to three things that I do to maintain my locks as well. So let's just give you a quick 360. Oh, I dyed my hair, y'all. I dyed it. I did it. It's red. It's like burgundy-ish red, but like I love it. It's perfect for me. I love it. It's just great. But a few concerns that I had about my locks lately though is you see how these up here are like really puffed up and swollen and stuff, but then these over here they're so tiny. But I guess it's because my hair has been two different textures, you know, always. But I'm gonna do a quick 360 for y'all, you know, over here. They look so good. I love it. And then the back, I don't know how good y'all can see this, but here you go. And then over here, blah blah blah. There's my 360 for you. So first thing that I always do at night, I wrap it with a bonnet, a regular bonnet, because you know mine are short, so I don't need the little stocking, the long thing that everyone has for their locks. I don't need that because my locks are short. So I put it on, blah blah blah, do this type of stuff, then wake up in the morning and take it off and you see they'll be formed in the bonnet shape. So I shake it until it goes to, you know, let the chips fall where they may. You know, that's my motto. Wake, shake, get on with the day. That is my motto. Sometimes when I first get a retwist, and I did it for like maybe the first 4 weeks. I started doing it at 4 weeks. I oil my scalp with argan oil. And I would just take this little spigot and go through the scalp, blah blah blah, you know, because it was like, you know how my dreads look really clean for like the first few months, honestly. So you can still see the parts. So it was easy for me to oil my scalp, but when it gets messy, I can't really do it. So at that point in time, I started to spray it with pure water, just regular old water. Spray it, let it lay down where it goes. Y'all saw in my last video how I sprayed it to let it lay down. I've also started to wear headbands. I've started doing some sort of lock styles. I'll probably put some pictures up for you guys to see. Yeah, so that's pretty much my lock update and my 5 things. I don't know how many things that was. But also, I would like to say this has been a very meaningful journey for me. Like, I'm telling you guys, when I first got them, I didn't really like them. I didn't like the way that they looked. They were so small and like worms. Like I kept telling y'all, like, it looked like worms. Like, I don't want this. I was telling my boyfriend everything. I was like, I just want to take them out. Like, can I just take them out, please? But I'm glad I stuck with it because they look so good. I feel like they suit me well. I love it. Like, I love it. So, you know, if you need some encouragement about your lock journey, I got you. Like, I need encouragement myself too. Like, I've been joining all these Facebook groups and stuff to get encouragement from other people, you know, uplift your fellow lock community members.